Hey, what's up guys? So today I'm going to be doing a little demonstration on how to swap a 3/8 head onto a 1/4 inch body with the compact 3/8 head. It has to be compact 3/8. You see that small little groove in there? That is the only way they were able to fit the mechanism in such a small little head. So we're going to go ahead and grab our T15. Let's take apart our pink one first. Never done this, so I just gotta make sure I watch if there's any washers or anything in there. Okay, so there's a spring. There's this spring right here, like a crush washer in essence. Okay, look at that. Okay, I'm gonna be using the same bolt. Let's go ahead and break off our 3/8 head. Nice and careful. Bam. Alright, there it is, boys. Go ahead and grab this. Gonna have to squish that. Gonna have to squish this a tiny bit. Okay. And there she goes. Nice and stiff still, because I want it stiff. I don't want it to have any type of play. No play. These are brand new ratchets, brand new. Shouldn't have any play. Damn. No play, no slop. It would have done right back if I had any slop. Brand new, look at that. Bam. Bam. 3/8 hard handle, compact body in pink. Compact body with the 1/4 inch head. It's watermelon. It's watermelon. Alright, boys and girls.